Hey, Tommy.
Hey, Kevin. How are you?
All right. Wow, look at this collection of stuff here, huh? What's this? Some sort of a washboard?
No, it's not a washboard. I got these from my daughter-in-law, Diana, and my daughter, Kate, and they both have tub trays. All right?
Tub trays?
Tub trays. So when they're sitting in the tub, they have a place to put their wine glass.
What? That's a thing?
And a sponge or whatever, a hand towel.
Really?
I guess it's big.
Okay.
Yeah, so they both said that they like them to be a little bit deeper.
Oh, yeah. There's nothing worse than a small tub tray.
Absolutely. I mean, I guess they got to put more wine on it.
What the heck is this?
All right, so I was thinking about the wine thing. So let's take the one here, Diana's. If I put the wine on it, all right, so that could spill, right? It could slide. And so I get a little jig to cut a hole, a place for the wine glass. Now you can use a stem glass, put it in there, and it won't fall.
Heaven forbid.
No, you
Spill
don't want
some
that.
wine in your
Or
tub.
you could just use a regular mug like that.
I gotcha.
Put it on like that.
So you said this was daughter-in-law Diana's, and this is Kate's right here?
That's Kate's, yeah.
This one's seen some mileage.
I noticed that.
What's
Finish
going
is
on?
gone on that one.
Okay.
All right.
And then this is the species you're thinking right here?
Yeah, this
Wow,
is
this is
actually
beautiful.
zebrawood. It comes from Africa. It's one of the largest trees in Africa, and it holds up fantastic to water. So I figured, what else but a tub tray?
No zebras are going to be hurt in this project.
None at all.
All right, well, how do you want to get started on the wine holder? Let's just call it what it is.
Right, exactly. Well, I want to cut some pieces so we can glue up a section, and then we can start making the slats. All right, I'm going to cut 2 pieces, 15 inches. Now let's take them to the table saw to true up the edges. Zebrawood is extremely dense, so I want to make sure that the blade is sharp, not too high, and I push the board slowly through the saw so I don't get kickback. While we're at the table saw, we might as well cut the 1/2-inch slats. All right, now we're ready to glue up the boards for each end to make up the little table. All right. All right, we'll let that set up for a while.
All right, what are you thinking here, Pops?
All right, our slats are going to go into a dado along here.
Yep.
I don't need a lot, just need a little shelf for that to go in. That's going to fit in there, and that will hold each piece.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right? I'm going to do it in 2 passes. To do that, I'm going to use my trim router with a guide that I glued to the base, and the block is the same thickness as our side piece. So when we're using the router, it rests on the base, it uses it as a straight edge, but it also holds the router from tipping back and forth.
Clever.
I'm going to cut some mortises into pieces and then use some floating tenons to hold it all together. So now we get some glue, put it all together, and then see if we can get the other one together. And get some glue in there. So now we put our spacers in. Just a fast setting wood glue. Now we get the tricky part.
Save the best for last.
I'm gonna give it a little tap. All right, now we gotta try to get the little pieces in there, and then we'll put the clamp on it. Now we're going to cut our keyhole. I don't have any double-sided tape, so I'm going to use some painter's tape with some fast-setting glue. Now I'm going to do the activator.
Hang on, I'm on the line.
Okay, there you go, right there. So now we're ready to use the router. And what I'm going to do is I've got a templating bit that will follow the edge of our template, and I'll make multiple passes with a 1/2 inch straight cutting bit. All right, that looks pretty good. Why don't you pass me that wine glass? I want to see how it looks here.
You're not going to trim it up?
I don't think I need to.
Oh, look at that. It
Fits in there good.
Smooth cut.
All right, so that's good. We'll remove this and we'll put the feet on the bottom, and then we're in business. So the nice thing about this, we're going to screw it on there because these will hold the tray in the center of the tub. So if they want to move them, they can loosen the screws and move them over, whatever they want.
Another 2.5 inches here.
Looks good.
Right there.
Center it, front and back. Got that?
Yep. Okay.
All right, good.
And you're thinking maybe some oil? You're going to leave it natural?
Well, I mean, it says can be exposed to the water, but I think we should put a little beeswax finish on it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Pulls that grain out. Pulls out the zebra stripes.
Yeah, now the zebra, you can see him. Once you put it on, you just rub it in and then you like buff it.
Wow, that just makes it pop, doesn't it?
Does. I love it.
All right,
The
so let's
color.
see. What do we got here, Tommy? Want to give it a try?
Oh my gosh.
Look at that, huh?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
And I got a bottle of red. How about a test drive?
Well, I'll have a glass of wine with you, but I'm sure not getting in the tub with you.
I wasn't asking you to.
All right. Nice.
Look at that, huh?
I think they're going to like it. Now, who's
they're gonna
going to get it? The battle begins.
Oh, boy. All right. Well, happy bathing to whoever gets it. It's a great project, Tommy. Nice job.
Yeah, it came out good. I like it.
All right. And we got more coming up next time. So until then, I'm Kevin O'Connor
And I'm Tom Silva.
for Ask This Old House. Cheers. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.